Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Atirah Yasmi binti Zakaria. PTAR serves as a vital learning hub for students, lecturers, and researchers by providing extensive access to both physical and digital resources. Physically, the library can accommodate up to 500 students at a time, offering open study areas, discussion rooms, and a computer lab. Currently, the library relies on the UiTM library chatbot and OPA system for the online material search. However, to truly support the modern academic community, it is essential to transform how users interact with the service through the dedicated, comprehensive digital platform. But why is this website so crucial right now? One of the major current issues facing modern library users is information overload and the difficulty of filtering credible sources online. First, the manual book borrowing process is highly inefficient. Students must visit the front service counter and wait for the library staff to process books individually. This takes up too much time, especially when students are rushing to attend classes. Second, searching for academic materials is overly complicated. The existing search system is rigid and operates strictly on exact keywords. If a student enters a natural, conversational questions, the system fails to understand the true intent. Consequently, a significant amount of time is wasted trying to find the correct book or research paper.
My name is Nurul Hanisa binti Jamaluddin. To resolve these challenges, the new platform introduced two advanced digital systems. First, the Smart Search Resources System utilizes artificial intelligence to simplify the research process. The system features a natural language query engine and voice search capabilities. This allows students to type or speak questions naturally without the need for strict formatting. Second, the Smart Book Tracking System replaced the slow manual counter process. Driven by IoT and RFID technology, the system automates the entire transaction. Students can use a self-borrowing kiosk by scanning a digital ID or QR code. Because each item contains an RFID tag, a whole stack of books can be scanned simultaneously via radio wave. The system then updates book availability in real time and sends return date notification. In addition to the digital library platform, the Smart Campus concept also places a strong emphasis on safety and security. Moving forward, the focus will shift toward the Smart Fire Alarm Monitoring System.
My name is Nurul Alisha. Traditional fire alarm present a critical vulnerability. They only provide local acoustic alert and cannot notify stakeholder when a property is vacant. Such delay hazard detection significantly increases safety risk and escalates potential property damage. To mitigate this risk, a smart fire alarm system offers an advanced safety solution engineered to detect fire, smoke, abnormal heat, or gas leakage at an early stage. Unlike legacy system, this technology transmits instant notification directly to mobile device, enabling remote premises monitoring and rapid emergency coordination to enhance overall structural safety.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Jauza Al-Jazila binti Rosli. The operational framework of the system relies on four core functions. First, it utilizes specialized smoke and heat sensors to continuously analyze environmental anomalies. Second, upon detecting a threat, it immediately activates localized audible buzzers and alarms to warn occupants. Third, it concurrently broadcasts real-time data and automated alert notification via SMS or dedicated mobile applications. Finally, the system displays real-time status and logs all alert records to provide an analytical history for future reference. My name is Noliana Azira binti Nur Azam. Integrating smart safety communication networks yields measurable institution benefits, including accelerated emergency response capabilities and reduced risk of property damage across residential and commercial sectors. Ultimately, by combining sensors, networks with smart communication technology, this system delivers an effective, reliable approach to protecting lives, safeguarding property, and ensure a safety environment for everyone.